Dear ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to see you on our Liberland Railways Corporate YouTube channel. And my name is Denysyuzhakov, and today I would like to introduce you with our new member called it's a member from Germany. It's Gerolsteiner Brunnen GmbH or Gerolsteiner Brunnen GmbH, yes, in English. This is producer of mineral water and beverages. So they have a very rich history, and they have a lot of information to tell us about them. So let's see. Let's watch this video to understand the activities of this company and why we have invited them to join our Liberland Railways Corporate Business Club. So let's go.
Company profile: Gerolsteiner Brunnen GmbH. In search of carbon dioxide, a raw material that is as sought after today as it was then. The mining director Wilhelm Kastendick came across a mineral water spring in Gerolstein in 1888. Analysis confirmed that the water was of a special quality, reason enough for Kastendick to found Gerolsteiner Brunnen GmbH, without suspecting that the mineral water from the volcanic Eifel would become the most purchased mineral water brand in Germany. The brand with the star. The brand with the red star and the lion's coat of arms still stands today, in particular for carbonated mineral water. Gerolsteiner Sprudel and Gerolsteiner Medium are by far the #1 in their segments in Germany. But Gerolsteiner Naturel is now also in second place in the German market among still mineral waters and is the best-selling non-carbonated mineral water from Germany. In 2021, the portfolio was expanded to include the slightly carbonated, also highly mineralized variety Gerolsteiner Feinperlig. Since 2022, the new product Ursprung has been available, an exceptionally highly mineralized mineral water from the volcanic Eifel. In addition, there are the two medicinal waters St. Gero and Gerolsteiner Highwasser. The portfolio also includes lemonades, spritzers, near water, and, since 2022, tea drinks. Gerolsteiner sees interesting potential in soft drinks and wants to expand this product area in the coming years, with innovative beverage concepts and new packaging offers. A question of origin: Gerolsteiner mineral water owes its quality to its origin in a source area in the volcanic Eifel that is unique in its geology. Here, carbon dioxide of volcanic origin meets dolomite rock containing calcium and magnesium. This creates a mineral water that is characterized by calcium, magnesium, and hydrogen carbonate. Gerolsteiner Sprudel, Gerolsteiner Medium, and Gerolsteiner Feinperlig are among the highly mineralized waters with 500 milligrams of dissolved minerals per liter. Only a few mineral waters in Germany are as rich in calcium as they are in magnesium. Gerolsteiner Naturel is also more mineralized than most other still mineral waters, with 806 milligrams of dissolved minerals per liter. Sustainability in practice. Gerolsteiner mineral water is a natural product that can only come from an intact environment. The mineral spring therefore sees sustainability as part of the company's DNA. Systematic environmental management was introduced as early as 1992, and the company has had a certified energy management system since 2013. The holistic sustainability concept covers the 4 areas of health and well-being: source and product protection, environmental and climate protection, and social responsibility. The website www.gerolsteiner.de provides information about the activities for sustainability and climate protection. Climate protection. Gerolsteiner is committed to the 1.5-degree target. Gerolsteiner is pursuing a holistic approach to climate protection. The focus is on consistent CO2 reduction. Gerolsteiner aims to reduce climate-relevant emissions at its own site in the Vulkaneifel Scope 1 and 2 by 59% by 2030 compared to 2016. This makes Gerolsteiner the first German mineral water company to commit to the 1.5-degree target, according to which the global temperature increase due to the greenhouse effect should be limited to a maximum of 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2030. By the end of 2022, the company has already succeeded in reducing climate-relevant emissions on site by 47% compared to 2016. On the way there, Gerolsteiner has, for example, reduced fuels, only uses green electricity, switched to electric forklifts, and is working on a concept for heat supply to replace fossil fuels for energy generation at the site with renewable and biomass energy. A large part of the climate-relevant emissions are attributable to Scope 3, that is the upstream and downstream activities along the supply chain, including in particular packaging and transport. The company also wants to drive the process forward in this important area. Gerolsteiner is relying on partnerships to make the joint supply chain even more sustainable. This includes alternative truck drives and transport concepts. Combined rail truck transport is also being expanded. Gerolsteiner is involved in the Eifel Line Alliance together with other companies and organizations from the region for a double-track expansion of the 163 kilometers long railway line between Cologne-Hürth and Trier-Erhang, rooted in the homeland as part of its social responsibility. Gerolsteiner's social commitment in its home region, the Vulkaneifel, is a priority. With the Team MIT Stern initiative www.teammitstern.de, the company has been supporting social and non-profit projects, clubs and organizations in the region since 2010. To date, 220 projects have been funded, the focus of which is on children, young people, families, senior citizens and coexistence in the region. In addition to Team MIT Stern, Gerolsteiner Brunnen is also involved in the region with the Donnertafel, and an integration company founded together with the Westeifel Works, which enables people with disabilities to be integrated into regular work processes. Employees of the Gerolsteiner Brunnen donate the proceeds from the annual large Christmas raffle of the Gerolsteiner Brunnen to schools, daycare centers, and regional associations for disadvantaged and needy children. The Gerolsteiner Future Forest Project, which the Mineral Spring is carrying out together with the Rhineland-Palatinate State Forestry Service, has been committed to the reforestation of regional forests since 2013, which makes a significant contribution to the sustainable protection of forest areas and the associated biodiversity. Gerolsteiner will significantly expand its commitment to climate-stable forests in the home region in the coming years. 185,000 trees have now been planted. National brand with a regional focus. Gerolsteiner is a nationally active mineral spring with a strong regional focus. The main sales area is within a radius of km from the company headquarters in the Vulkaneifel, i.e. in Rhineland-Palatinate, North Rhine-Westphalia, Hesse and Saarland. Exports account for around 2.4% of Gerolsteiner sales, a large portion of which goes to the neighboring Benelux countries. Gerolsteiner mineral water is also sold in the USA. Variety of packaging as a success factor. One of the most important milestones in the history of the Gerolsteiner brand is undoubtedly the introduction of the 1-liter PET reusable bottle. In 1998, Gerolsteiner was the pioneer in the use of the light, shatterproof material for mineral water bottles. Another example is the modern 1-liter glass reusable bottle, in a handy box of 6, which Gerolsteiner has been adding to its portfolio since 2010. A new X 0.75-liter glass reusable container followed in 2019, Since 2021, Gerolsteiner soft drinks have also been available in a 0.75 L glass reusable bottle in a box of 6. The variety of packaging geared to consumer wishes with a strong focus on reusable containers, around 2/3 of Gerolsteiner sales, makes a significant contribution to the brand's success. Making the brand tangible, Gerolsteiner mineral water comes from a unique spring area in the volcanic Eifel, to which it owes its high mineralization. New ways of storytelling make this advantage tangible and also reach younger target groups. The key element of communication is the Gerolsteiner TV spot Gerolsteiner, Bring Back the Strength. Another example is the gaming project Building Vulcan Eifel from 2022, which playfully conveys the connection between the origins in the volcanic Eifel and the mineralization of Gerolsteiner mineral water. Since the start of the sponsorship in 2022, heavy metal fans at Wacken Open Air have been able to keep fit while partying with Gerolsteiner mineral water. True to the motto, between every litre of beer, there needs to be an intermediate water elixir. More quality than the MTVO requires an example of the high-quality standard, and the pursuit of a holistically high quality is the 2016 certification of Gerolsteiner mineral water as premium mineral water by SGS Institut Fresenius. In order to achieve this, strict requirements are set with regard to limit values, resource protection, sustainability in the entire process chain, and quality management. They are checked annually as part of audits and laboratory tests by the SGS Institut Fresenius. The comprehensive catalogue of criteria exceeds the high requirements of the Mineral and Table Water Ordinance and other laws in the food sector. The proof of social and ecological sustainability alone includes a large number of demanding criteria and must be repeated annually as part of an audit. Brief profile of Gerolsteiner Brunnen GmbH and Company KG. As Germany's most purchased mineral water brand, Gerolsteiner stands for highly mineralized variety, excellent quality, and a long tradition. The mineral water from the Vulcan Eifel has been around since 1888. The range includes the various mineral waters of the Gerolsteiner brand: sparkling, medium, fine sparkling, natural, and the exceptionally mineral-rich Gerolsteiner Ursprung mineral water, Gerolsteiner medicinal water, and St. Gero medicinal water. The growing soft drinks division with spritzers, lemonades, fruity waters, and tea provides variety. In addition to quality and innovation, sustainability is firmly anchored in the company's strategy. The mineral spring consistently takes responsibility for its own employees in the region, for the climate and the environment, and for the protection of the Gerolsteiner springs. Gerolsteiner Brunnen GmbH and Company KG currently employs over 850 people with an average length of service of 16 years, more than 40% of whom are trainees. The company's shareholders are the Bitburger Group, 51%, and Buse KSW GmbH and Company. The remaining shares are in private hands. Further information at www.gerolsteiner.de.